the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls to the number of teachers in a school is 3:4:1. So it's good to write this down. B:G:: teachers. Each statement below is either true, false, or not possible to tell from the information given. For each statement, put a tick in the correct column. Now, there are 4 times as many girls as teachers. Is that true, false, not possible to tell? Okay, let's see. Girls, teachers. Indeed, that is a true statement because girls is 4 units, teachers 1 unit. So there are indeed 4 times as many girls as teachers. True statement. Next, half of the people in the school are female. Now, if we just talk about the girls alone, we know that they will take on 4 units. Okay, and in total, 3 plus 4 plus 1, total units will be 8 units. Now, just for the girls alone, what is the fraction of people in the school who are girls? That will be 4/8, which is half. Alright, if they said half of the people in the school are girls, then it's okay. But now they have used the word female. So female can mean not just girls, it can also mean part of the teachers as well. Alright, so there may be more than 4 units of females. So the fraction may not be half. It may or may not be half. So this is something that is not possible to tell because we don't have enough information about the teachers. The teachers can be, some of them can be female, some of them can be male, or all of them can be female, all of them can be male. So not enough information, in this case, not possible to tell.